Well, the Jason Lawrence story continues. Obviously, he raced the last round, the Ironman GNCC with Phoenix Honda, and it was this big coming back story, or I don't know, however you want to call it, the revival of his career, supposedly. A couple weeks later, it comes out that he's going to be racing in the arenacross series for Phoenix Honda. All well and good, super awesome. Great PR for the team. Who knows, maybe he's grown up a little bit in the whatever it is, 18 years since 16 years since he's raced, whatever. Maybe he's matured a little bit. And yes, he's going to be well past his prime, but maybe he gets a year or two of racing and he gets to show that he does have some talent and he's grown out of the, teenager problems that he had. Hmm, I guess not. So this comes from Matt Burkeen, who was filming at the Club MX test track where Phoenix Honda was preparing for the season. And apparently Lawrence's absence drew some raised eyebrows. And so this is all rumors and whatever you want to call it, but apparently Phoenix basically, I guess, questioned his commitment and basically said that he's using them for a free ride, which for me, or my idea of it, it's like, of course, if you're a rider, you're using a team for a bike. That's kind of a normal idea, I guess. But if you're going to be Lawrence, who already has had, years of problems, and like I said, if he could even commit to a full series, well, apparently not. Apparently they angered him with that question, packed his bags, and poof, gone to Florida again. Out, over. So the saga of getting one race in, getting a ride, and then dropping off the face of the planet, it kind of seems to be his MO, at least for the last few years of trying. He supposedly getting rides to race this and then doesn't ride it. And I don't know. To me, it's funny because it's the same thing that's happened in his career always. Talented, racing, not racing, racing, not racing, and then gone. But in the comments below, you tell me, do you think this is it? Is it just a break and he'll be back? Or are Phoenix done with him and he's, probably kicked his last chance at an actual chance? But whatever it is, comment down below. Make sure to like, share, subscribe, do all the fun things this platform allows you to do because it really does help me out and I appreciate it. And with that, I will see y'all later. Peace.